Could do the job better if you lent me the bike. Preparations for the British Motocross Grand Prix. 23, Johnny Giles. Don Rickman. Rolf Tibblin from Sweden. Another Swede, Sten Lundin. And Remy Julien, France. The meeting was sponsored by the Daily Herald. Two races count for the championship, a total of 36 miles of bumps and bruises, most of it in a cloud of dust. Don Rickman held the lead for quite a time. There's Dave Vickers also going well. The Swedes are pretty hot at this sort of thing, and British riders are well aware of it. No one could touch number 4, Rolf Tibblin. The Swedish ace won both races and the championship. Not so dusty, after all.